So this is my today's analysis, what I'm looking at on gold, GBP, USD. So this is this zone I have been calling out since last week Friday. I told you guys that the buy for gold is still valid. Okay, let's go to daily time frame. So I believe that if you guys are following my analysis here, but I know that some of you always want someone to tell you buy now or sell now. But if you pay attention to all these levels that I have been mentioning, definitely you will be able to trade on your own and make money. Well, I told you guys that I'm looking at this zone. That's why I drew this line since last week, Friday. I'm looking at this zone, that market at this daily zone, and definitely it will buy. And this is 4 hours time frame. The same zone, I've been mentioning it, and the market rejected from there, and look at what it did yesterday. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the same zone, and market rejected from here, went up and dropped. And I was looking for a sell on this zone before, but I didn't see any confirmation for sell. So yesterday, then market came back to reject on this and broke this and this, and you guys can see what it did. But I will not lie, I didn't take this trade. I didn't take enough this trade. I didn't take it. So, but it did pretty what I predicted. I missed the trade. That's why I didn't take it. Just I don't want to take it. I missed the trade. So now market is at this. I've not touched this zone, but you can see that this level now, this level definitely is a strong support level from all these zones. From this, let me delete this, but I don't really need this again. I deleted the wrong one. Oh God. But from these zones is a strong support level. It's a strong support level. So already the market came into it, and you can see that it's reacting to it. It's reacting to it strongly. So what I'm going to do now is, if market take out this high here, something like this, take out this particular one and retest, some people will look for buy, and before I can still look for buy here, but I'm not using this zone to look for my buys because it can be a fake out. Market can just fake it out somewhere here without taking out this and reject back. So what I'm looking at for now is market to buy and take out this particular level, this particular high. Let it take it out, and then let it take it out and then respect it. But then it will be the market, it will be like break and retest of this trend line here. That's what it will be like. That will be our entry on this. Then let market break this level here and retest back, and retesting back on it, it will be a break and retest of this trend line. Then we are buying. That's what I'm expecting to do today on gold. So if gold break this level and retest, I'm buying it there, and let your stop be here or here. Depends on how you want to set your stop. If you like, you use this level or if you like, you use this one or this one. Then it depends on how you want to set it. But sometimes I usually like to use this level, so I will be able, so I can give the market room, to breathe. But I hate it when market take me out and still go to my favor. That's why I usually use this kind of stop loss to make sure I give it enough room to breathe, to do whatever they want to do. But choose any level that is okay for you to set your stop loss, then target 1 to 2. So this is what I'm expecting on gold. And if gold eventually start dropping and take out this low, guys, the buy setup is no longer valid. Forget about the buy setup. Whatever makes gold start dropping and take out this low here, forget about the buy. Forget about the buy setup. Is no longer valid. Then I will need to wait for market to give us more data for me to analyze and to know when we will start, and to see the level that we start looking for a sell. Definitely, but I'm not going to draw it now because I don't know how it's going to be. But immediately market take out this low, the buy setup is no longer valid. I will start looking for sell. So it might be something like taking out this low and maybe rejecting back and coming to this zone somewhere here. Then we look for sell for here. Then it will do something like this. So that's what it will be. So this, I'm deleting this, guys. I don't like my chart to be messy. So this is what I will be looking at on gold today. I'll be looking for buy. But if this buy didn't continue and break this low, then we will look for sell. So that's what we are going to do today for gold. And this is gbpusd. Look at the daily here. I think my analysis still remains the same on gbpusd. The analysis that I did, I think, last week still remains the same on gbpusd. You can see that this daily time frame, it broke this low. She did change of character. So I'm not looking for any buy right now on gbpusd. Whatever buy I'm going to look at it will be a countering buy. I'm countering the trend, which is the down trend. Countering it, but I don't do it. But there is the confirmation I gave to you guys who want to counter should counter, but I don't do it. So gbpusd buy and get to this resistance here and started dropping, but I'm not sure it will continue dropping because I believe that it must get to this zone before that sell will continue. There is imbalances here. I believe that they will go and cover it up before this downtrend will continue. So that's what I'm still waiting for a sell from this zone, and I believe that it will definitely come to this zone before this downtrend will continue. But let's keep watching it. So this is a 15-minute time frame. So as I predicted before that you guys should counter the buy as in the sell. I don't know whether you guys did, but me, I'm still looking for my sell opportunity. So let's pray if we can get to this zone today. And let's see whether if you have any news today that can push the market up or down. So actually, there is no big news today. We only have this news by 11 p.m. FOMC member Waller speaks. So I don't know who this person really is, but the person is going to speak by 11 p.m. I don't know whether it will move the market, but let's watch and see if it will move the market. But apart from this, there is no US news again here today that can move the market. This audio news, CPI audio, as in Australia. Okay, they have already released the news. Australia, their CPI, it will only affect Australian pair. It has nothing to do with the gold and GBP USD. So guys, this is what I'm looking at for today for this gold. I'm looking at for buy. So I've already colored this signal, so you guys should pay attention to it. You don't have to wait for me again on my Telegram channel to post it. But definitely, if I'm entering this trade, I'll post it on my Telegram channel. But I believe that you can monitor this trade and take it by yourself when it's confirmed. So just try and keep your mindset right, because in this forex trading, our problem is not strategy, it's not setup. Our problem in this forex trading is our mindset. Because some of us, we don't have patience. We always want to trade every day. This is the third day of the week. I have not taken any trade this week. I didn't take any trade on Monday. I didn't take any trade on Tuesday, which is yesterday. I didn't say anything yesterday. On Monday, the same. Market is moving, but I didn't see the exact setup I'm looking for. So if I don't see it, I will not take any trade, no matter how the market moves. I'm not going to rush into the market or try to force any trade. So you guys should pick a setup. Learn one particular setup. Okay, I'm going to use this setup or one or two setup. I'm going to use this up to enter to be entering into this forex market whenever market is in any good support resistance or support zone or any good resistance zone. I'm going to use this particular setup to be entering market whenever market is at any good support zone or any good resistance zone. So when you have this type of entry, pay attention to it always and don't rush to enter any trade, and always wait. Make sure your confirmation is complete, and that setup is complete. Make sure that everything regarding that setup is complete before you enter the trade. You don't rush into it, because this is the reason why a lot of us are losing money. We end up rushing into a trade that is not yet complete. The confirmation is not yet complete, and end up losing money. There is a simple method here you can use to make money successfully with that strategy. Just look at it this way. If your strategy is working like 50% all the time, the accurate of your strategy is 50% accurate, and you are making 1 to 2 in each trade you are entering, just look at it this way. The end of the week, if you took 2 trades and lose 1, you are in profit. So when you understand that your strategy is always giving you 50% accurate and you are targeting 1 to 2, you don't have to rush it. Just be patient. Whatever I see that strategy complete, you take your trade. The end of the week, the end of the day, the end of the month, you will still be in profit. But there's a lot that has to do with money management and risk management that we forex trading don't do. If you understand all this, definitely you'll be able to be patient when your strategy have not confirmed. Be patient and wait for it to confirm before you take a trade. Guys, let's stop here and let's watch out what this gold will do. If I see this confirmation complete, I'll post it on my Telegram channel when I'm entering it, guys. God bless and stay safe.